Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You must not try to bypass someone else's screen time passcode or device protections. Instead, immediately identify the account owner or administrator and ask for their cooperation. If the passcode is forgotten by the owner, use the official recovery route or account recovery, not workarounds. Once you contact them, get explicit permission and follow the provided steps together so settings change legally and safely. Making that choice avoids lockouts, data loss, and potential legal issues. If you have rightful ownership or explicit permission, use the device's official recovery flows. For example, use your Apple ID to reset screen time passcode or the Google account recovery for Family Link managed Android. For company devices, ask IT to change policies in the MDM or admin console. Make sure you have account credentials or proof of ownership ready. Support teams will ask for verification. Once you initiate these official channels, follow the guided steps to reset. When recovery options fail and you legitimately own the device, a factory reset may be the last resort. Back up important data first because this erases everything. Make sure you can prove ownership to the manufacturer or carrier when you contact support, because they will not assist without verification. If support can't resolve it, escalate to the device maker or your administrator. Troubleshooting tip: if an account recovery link doesn't arrive, check spam and ensure the recovery email or phone number is current and accessible.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.